Greetings, welcome to the video lecture on realization of logic gates. And in this, we are going to recap the last series, what I have discussed, that is realization of simple logic using universal gates. That is the logic what we have discussed about. And today we are going to see the realization what we have discussed in the Python with the help of tinkercad. So for doing this, I will once again rework on this, and we have a basic circuit as well as realization circuit, and we will try to implement that in tinkercad so that we can able to realize the truth table written in Python and what output we are getting in tinkercad that we will realize in a simulation manner. First, for doing this, I am going to draw the basic circuit of this y is equal to AB plus BC. I will draw the circuit. So y is equal to AB plus BC. That means first I am going to draw, this is the recap of the last lecture, AB and this is BC, and two things will be added with the help of OR gate. So this is the basic circuit AB and BC. This is Y. So if I want to realize this, yesterday in lecture itself, we have explained how to convert a AND gate into NAND gate and how to convert this OR gate into NAND gate. Yesterday itself we explained. So directly I am drawing the circuit. So AND become NAND. This AND also will become NAND. And following this, another NAND gate will come. So this is the realization circuit. So whatever output we are expecting here, these two will be same. This is the logic. So I want, for doing this process, I need IC 7408 and this is IC 7432. And for doing this entire process, I need only one IC, that is called 7400. So this portion we will do like this. First we will number the IC. This is pin number 1, pin number 2 and pin number 3. Let us parallelly, I will take the tinkercad and we will decide which circuit we will go ahead. So first, after opening the tinkercad, you have to type 7408. That means it is a AND gate IC. So first I am taking here. Fine. So this is 7408 IC. If I click this icon, I can able to see what are all the things available here. Let us slowly, you can see 1A, 1B and 1Y. That means what are all the pin numbers 1, 2 and 3. Similarly 4, 5 and 6. Like that you can choose either or 7, 8, 9 or 10, 11, 12. Like that you can choose whatever you want in our own fashion. But I am choosing these two ICs. So the IC numbers are 1, 2 is the input, 3 is the output. Similarly, 4, 5 is the input, 6 is the output, 7 is the ground, and 14 is the power supply. I think it is understandable. So what I am going to do is, I am going to check with the pin numbers. So this is first pin, second pin, third pin. This form one AND gate. Fourth pin, fifth pin, and sixth pin. This form another AND gate. So I am going to just check out what I am doing. So like this I am keeping. For doing this thing, I need a breadboard. So I am taking breadboard out. Okay. And then I am going to fix the IC. Already I have explained how to fix the IC. And then for activating this, I need one power supply. For that, I am typing a word called supply so that I will get one power supply here. How to connect this power supply, you all know. So from here, I will take one wire and give it to positive terminal. Okay, this is connected, and I am changing the color of this wire to red color. Changing the color of this wire to red color. and I am taking one more wire and connecting it to negative terminal of the negative hierarchy of the breadboard. So what I am doing is here, from here I can directly join these wires from here. This is 14th pin, right? So 14th pin is a power pin. So I can directly join this to here, and I am changing this wire. This is optional for my understanding I am doing. So better I can short these two terminals so that it will be connection will be easy for me. So I am shorting this wire and this wire. Right. And this I am calling it as negative. So either you can connect here or you can connect here. So 7th pin is ground point. So I am connecting this wire directly from here to here. So instead of taking from here to here, just I am connecting. This is the direct fashion of connection. So for giving the inputs, I am using switches. So I am typing switches here, switch, and I am taking one parallel switch. So how to connect the switch also already we discussed previous lectures you go through so that you can able to understand how to connect a switch. So lower portion will be connected, always connected to supply. This one and this one. Both should be connected to supply, and change the wires to red color. Red color. And this also you can change to red color. And from output should be from top. So from here I will take one wire and I will directly connect it to input pin of the AND gate. So here the input pin is like this. This is the input pin I am connecting here. So if you want, you can change one input pin color to blue and another input pin color to another, your wish. You can change for your end. So here I am taking this and I am connecting this to here. Connecting this to here. How to connect here. Okay. So this will be my another, that is orange. So after giving these two inputs, I am using one thing called resistor. So resistor is for protecting the LEDs, which is useful for giving the output. So I am just connecting a resistor from here to here. This is very simplest connection. When we are shorting these two terminals means directly you can connect the resistor like this. And I am taking one LED and I am flipping it. That means anode is positive and the cathode is negative. So I am giving this anode positive and cathode negative. So negative means you can have like this. To resistor, I am through resistor, I am connecting it to ground. And from here, I am directly shorting this to third pin. Not third pin. Wait, let us check where we have to connect the output. As of now, this is AND gate portion is ready. So I can shift this to here to here. Last portion I will shift so that I can able to realize it very simply. Right. So, I want to, as I discussed here, IC7408 is over. One is A terminal, another one is B terminal, and third portion is nothing but C pin. That is C input. That should be given to another end of the supply. So how to connect this? That is very, very important. Connection is very, very important. So first pin, second pin are direct inputs. Third pin is the output that should be connected to the first pin of the IC7432. That is important. This is connected to first pin. Here second pin and this is third pin. This is fourth pin, fifth pin, and sixth pin. This is the connection criteria what we are having. So this B and B are common. So I have to, even though B and B are common, both are having separate inputs. So I have to short this second pin and fourth pin. Second pin and fourth pin. Instead of giving separate input, these two pins are shorted together, right? This is also B, this is also B, common point. So 2 and 4 are shorted. Fifth pin will be my third input, and this hierarchies we need to connect. I think the connection is now okay. So third pin I need to connect it to first pin of IC7432. So before going this, second pin and fourth pin should be shorted. That we will see now. So second pin and fourth pin should be shorted. So what I am doing is I am giving this second pin and fourth pin. This is fourth pin, right? This should be shorted. I am shorting this. And from the third pin, I am giving one input here, that is third input, and changing this color to red. And from the third pin, I am taking output and giving it to fifth pin. Right, giving it to fifth pin, right? 4 and then 5. This is fifth pin. Okay, now the connection, I think it is same. So first second pin and the fourth pin are shorted, and the fifth pin is given as a input. You can just cross check what I am doing. First pin is separate input, second pin also from switch. Second and fourth pin I am shorting. Fifth pin is direct input, that is nothing but from the switch. So third and sixth pin we have to give it to IC7432. That how to do that, let us check. So here I will type the pin called 7432. It is a OR gate, so I have to connect this here. So from here what I have to do, same connection. From the top I need to connect it to a power supply. Seventh pin should be connected to ground. Okay, and then what I have to do, that's third pin is there. This is third pin. 1, 2, 3 is the output. This third pin should be connected to first pin. Okay, let's cross verify here. Third pin should be connected to first pin. Sixth pin should be connected to second pin. Sixth pin should be connected to second pin. So sixth pin is here. This is the sixth pin. The sixth pin should be connected with second pin. Okay, sixth pin should be connected to second pin, and this third pin will be my final output. This can be connected directly to the LED. That's all. Your connection is over. So this is the mandatory connection. So how I am connecting, you can see no jumbles of wire. Directly I am making the lines. First pin, second and fourth shorted. Fifth pin is direct input. And then from here third to first pin, and then here from here fourth to here you can check what is the sixth pin to second pin. Okay, so sixth pin to second pin, 4 5 6, this is sixth pin. So sixth pin to second pin, and from third pin I am having direct out to LED. So what I am doing is just I am starting the simulation so that you can verify the output. Okay, so I am checking with Google Colab. So here I am having the output. So whenever remaining all outputs will be 0. So whenever I am making this as 0 1 1, I am getting high output. So that we will check. So what I am doing is I am taking 0 1 1. So first one is 0, second one is 1, third one is 1. So LED is glowing. If I take 1 0 also, it is off. 0 1 0. Can check here. 0 1 0. So off. And similarly 1 1 0. 1 1 0 means what we will get? 1 1 0. LED is on. So truth table is verified. So same setup I am going to do with the help of another LED and resistor. Another LED and resistor. So here I am taking one LED and I am just rotating, shifting this, and I am going to give the resistor. Right. Okay. So why I am giving means I am going to do the same realization with the help of NAND gate, that is 7400. This is the NAND gate. Single IC. Two ICs are working now. Now single IC I am going to realize the same operation. Let us check. So I am connecting this 14th pin once again to power supply. And the 7th pin I am connecting it to ground. Okay. And what I am doing is, here you can check input, input, output, and input, input, output. Also here you can check, this is, if you check output, input, input, it is reversed, and output, input, input. So how you are going to use, that is the matter. So now I am going to write the pin diagram here. So 1, 2, and 3. After that, what I can do is 4, 5, and 6. And then 7, not 7, 7 is ground. So 8 is the output. So what I am doing is 8, this is 9, and this is 10. Like that I am writing. So 1, 2, 3 is the inputs directly from 1, 2, and 2 and 4 short. Fifth pin is the direct input. Same thing. Here 3 and 9 should be short. 6th and 10th should be short. 8 should be the output. So let us connect this 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3. So what I am doing is, from the LED here, same inputs shall I extend means no problem will come. Same input, whatever I am giving here, same input I am extending here also. This first pin input I am extending it to same first pin, right? And second pin input, here the connection is there, I am connecting same to second pin also. Sorry, this is not coming, so I am taking here, don't get confused. Here from the second pin I am taking and connecting with second pin, right? Third pin is the output, you can leave. And what I am doing is, second and fourth pin should be shorted. So second and fourth pin should be shorted, and the fifth pin will be direct input. So from the fifth pin, what I am doing here, this is the fifth pin, so I am taking one small, also it's exactly, it will disturb, so you have to be very careful while connecting. Okay, so from this fifth pin I am taking one wire and connecting it to fifth pin directly. So here, this is the fifth pin. Okay, second and fourth shorted. This is one, second and fourth is shorted, right? 2 and 4 are shorted. I shorted fifth pin. So second and fourth pin are shorted. Okay, and from the fifth pin I am taking one wire directly and I am connecting it to fifth pin. Little bit carefulness is required while connection, otherwise you will not get this directly fifth pin. This is fifth pin. So all connections over, only one thing is, first pin direct input, second pin also directly I have connected, then second and fourth pin are shorted, fifth pin is the direct input. Now two more pins are left out, one is third and 9 I have to short, 6 and 10 I have to short. Third and 9, 6 and 10. So what I am doing is, from the third pin I am taking one wire and connecting it to ninth pin, connecting it to ninth pin. So how to connect, that is the matter. So here I will take top and then coming here ninth pin, right? 8, 9, 10. So ninth pin is here. Ninth pin is here, right? And then what I am doing from the, once again I will checking third pin to ninth pin, sixth pin to 10th pin. So sixth pin to 10th pin means what I am doing. Sixth pin to 10th pin means from sixth pin, I am taking one more wire and directly doing the same thing. Here I am doing from the top, and then I am doing this is 8, 9, and then I am connecting it to 10th pin. So this is my 10th pin, and finally 8th pin will be my output, final output. So what I am doing, I am taking this wire like this. So it is in the top right. So I am taking the wire, not disturbing anything, and I am giving it to the anode of the LED. Anode of the LED, right? This is, so now connections are over. I think little mess up connection. That's why we are realizing by using Python. So this complication of realization, we want to realize that whether the truth tables are really working or not. That is our main aim. So, but what we are doing here is we are just implementing the circuit and check whether the return truth table is correct or not. So I am starting the simulation. You can see both are glowing. Using single IC, both are glowing. If I switch off means both are off. If I make everything as 1, 1, will be on. So you can check which conditions are 1. 1, 1, 0 is also 1. 0, 1, 1 is also 1. So I am going there and checking here. 0, 1, 1, right? So 0, 1, 1. So on. For remaining all condition, it will be remains off. So here, instead of using two ICs, I am using only one IC, but the output is same. That is the power of realizing any circuit using universal gate. So this we have verified by using both Python as well as tinkercad. Tinkercad is the real circuit implementation practice, and Python is a coding practice. So in this course, we have teach you both coding as well as implementation skills, so that anyone can able to write codings in Python, as well as they can able to implement any circuit using tinkercad, and they can able to verify both truth table as well as the function of the IC in a real-time manner. This is how we can able to realize any circuit by using online tools. So in this course, you better use both tool. One is by using Google Colab, you can verify whether the truth table what we are getting is for as per the uh, how we are going to write the theory. First we will write one simple function, and then we are going to write the truth table, and then you are going to draw the circuit. Same thing we are doing. First we are taking a function, we are implementing it in Python to obtain the truth table, and the obtained truth table in Python is verified by using tinkercad tool. So this is the essence of the circuit what we are doing here. So with this, I think this realization is pretty clear to you. So hope you will realize all the circuits in a better manner, and to realize how each and every circuits are effectively working, and you can realize your designs in a meaningful manner. Thank you very much. We will see you in the next session in some other concepts called realization of Karnaugh maps. What is meant by Karnaugh map? How to verify its output? That we will discuss in the next video session. Thank you very much.